never would have done it, but this isn't Equestria. We can't just dance around with con artists, make rainbows in the sky and expect everything to work out. It's not enough. We are not enough. No, Twilight. We stuck together. We're gonna get the help we needed. The only thing that stopped us was you. Well, I'm doing the best I can. It's all on me. I'm the one Tessa wants. I'm the last princess. You're also the only one who doesn't trust her friends. Well, maybe I would have been better off without friends like you.
Все твои обещания пустота.